If you're coming to Miami, you've probably seen this place in every postcard and movie intro. We are at Bayside Marketplace, the heart of downtown Miami's waterfront. It's part shopping mall, part marina, and 100% vibe. Today, I'm taking you on a full walkthrough of the shops, the foods, the secret spots you usually miss. This is RockinRobin. Let's get into it. Chances are pretty good that you parked in the big garage where it's like $20 and sometimes $20 just for 2 hours and it just keeps going up and up. Well, we parked there and then we walked towards the marketplace. Now this is the second floor, which we're going to show you. We'll show you what's on the second floor, some great restaurants, some really nice shopping areas. We'll show you a little bit downstairs, and then we'll go along the wooden boardwalk and we'll look at the yachts on one side, the shops on the others. We're going to look at all the restaurants. We're going to show you what restaurant we ate at, and we're going to show you the Skyview. Did you ever go on that big observation Ferris wheel? Well, we are going on that, and we're also going to get a little bit of dessert here. So we're going to show you all of that, and you can see this is from the second floor. There are so many different shops. It's hard to decide which shop you actually want to go to. Well, now we're going to go down and then we're going to go right onto the boardwalk. Well, this is the boardwalk. First thing first, I want you to check out the views. We are going to walk along the Miami Marina. And, this isn't just for looking at fancy boats, although I like to do that. This is the transportation hub for the fun stuff. You got the Island Queen cruises for those millionaire roast house tours. And if you want to lose your hat, there's the Thriller Miami speedboats. They depart right from these docks. Check out the marina stage because sometimes there is free live music there. There's usually a Latin band playing there in the afternoons. And right here is the marina stage. At this time, all they had was on the television, but later on, I'm sure there would be music, so make sure you're there at the right time and check it out. Bayside is an open-air festival marketplace. It's got that classic 80s Miami architecture, but with a fresh 2026 energy. Now, over here are all the restaurants, and there's quite a variety of different restaurants to choose from. Now, we decided to eat at Lombardi's. It's just one of several, and we are telling you check out all the menus and decide what you like. At the end is Hard Rock. We have eaten there as well, so there's quite a few places to choose, but we like to look out at the water, so we chose Lombardi's on this day. And we had a cheeseburger with fries, and this is an Italian restaurant, so I had to have a pizza, but I love Hawaiian pizza. After dinner, it was time to head towards the Skyviews Miami Observation Wheel. I have been on several observation wheels before, but I'd never been on this one. Now, this one is one that you don't want to miss. It's nearly 200 feet above the marketplace. It's best to go at sunset because at sunset you can get a 360-degree view of the skyline and the bay. The gondolas themselves are climate controlled, which can be a lifesaver in the Florida humidity. You can see how cool it is going up. It's not really very scary. It's just a beautiful observation desk and a great ride. Now, they said it's about a 9-minute ride, and we went around maybe 4 or 5 times. It was beautiful. You got Bayside on one side, and you got the water on the other. So it makes for a great ride. You can fit maybe 4 or 6 people in it if you want. It's quiet, it's air conditioned. It's great at sunset. We went right at the beginning of sunset, but I think this is something you probably don't want to miss. It is $20 a person and up, depending on your age. So it's a great ride, and one I think if you go to Bayside, you should not miss. We have a full video on the observation ride if you want to see more. But now we're going to take a walk kind of inside. It's open air, but it's inside, right in the middle, and we're going to look at some of the shops. So at this open air festival marketplace, you'll find big names like Victoria's Secret and Express, but you're going to find that the real gems are often at the kiosks. This is where you're going to grab your I Love Miami t-shirts, your handmade jewelry, your interesting desserts, and even some cigars at Bayside Cigars. It's often very crowded, it can be loud, and it smells like a mix of salt water and churros, which you can see why. That's basically the official scent of Miami. Have you seen a store that interests you? Where would be your first stop if you went to the Bayside? Let me know in the descriptions. After all those great restaurants and us hitting Lombardi's, I had to make a stop at Scoops and try a couple different kinds of their ice cream. I had a Ferrero Rocher and a mint chocolate chip. Doesn't that look good? It was. So we're off to see what the rest of the marketplace looks like. There's one more place I want to go in and make sure that you do not miss. And this is it. This is It's Sugar. And you can take some great photos over here, or you can even go upstairs and find more. I'm not going to bring you upstairs on this day, but let me tell you, if you do go to Bayside, you want to go and make a stop right there. So let's take a quick look at the rest of the marketplace. So you can see Bayside is more than just a mall. It's where the city meets the sea. Whether you're here for a boat tour or just a mojito, it's a must stop. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, hit that subscribe button. Also, give us a big thumbs up. We want you to watch all our videos. We have a lot of them all around Miami and across Florida. I'll see you in the next video.